Odoo Purchase Module. What do we cover in this video? Creating a purchase order with a vendor and product, sending the PO via email to the vendor, confirming the PO upon vendor's approval, receiving the products and managing damaged items, creating a vendor bill and processing the payment, handling product returns in case of damage, canceling a PO if necessary. Open Purchase Module. Click New button. Select vendor name in vendor field or type vendor name, click Create. In Product tab, click Add a product and create or select the product name, then fill out the quantity, unit price and taxes. Click Send by Mail button. Compose Email tab is opened. Here into field type vendor email ID, then click Send button. After get confirmation from the vendor, click Confirm Order button. Now RFQ changes to purchase order. When receiving the product, open Inventory module, click Receipt and select the corresponding PO receipt. If any changes in received product quantity, 80 products received good, 20 products damaged. Click in Operations tab, Quantity field, edit the quantity 80. Then click Validate button. Now click No Back Order. If want return the product, click Return button, enter the quantity. Then click Return button, return product receipt created. Open Purchase Module, select the PO, click Create Bill button, enter place of supply and bill date, then click Confirm button. Now vendor bill was created. Click Pay button, select the journal, bank account details. Click Create Payment, the status will changes into In Payment. Same payment process, do an accounting module after vendor bill creating, accounting, vendors, bills, then select bill. If want to cancel the PO, open Purchase Module, select the PO, and click Cancel button.